all the action is taking place right now. It is the Mumbai Heroes giving their answer to the Karnataka Bulldozers, and it's over to our commentators. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Archana, and the action set to begin here. Both the openers in the crease for Mumbai Heroes. Varun Rao, the man on strike. Varun Badola at the non-striker end. The start proceedings for Karnataka Bulldozers is going to be Karthik. So far, just 2 wickets for him in his 4 matches he's played. But as far as the Heroes are concerned, need a good platform up the order. Chasing 169 to win this game. This should be a very good contest. They have the resources here, Mumbai Heroes. They have a formidable batting lineup. But the big question, can they deliver? So play is the call from the umpire. The first ball. Right of the button. Heston running. Yes, no, yes, no. Not the best of stars for Mumbai Heroes. Good evening, Sabah.
Good evening, Ajay. This is such a wonderful atmosphere here. You can hear the roar in the background. And it goes loud and loud. They're supporting the home side, the Bulldozers. They're defending 168. The target set here for the Heroes is 169. There's so much of anticipation for the crowd here. Good work there by Sudeep, who's limping. But he's on the ground. So hats off to this man, Sudeep, the captain of Bulldozers. He's hampered by that injury, but he wants to lead the side.
He's got that extra padding on his knee. He was injured yesterday twice, in fact, in the game they were playing against Chennai Rhinos. This was a good effort. Although limping the captain, but he's leading from the front. He's showing that commitment. Called for leg before, but the umpire, he's not impressed. Will they offer the review? Yes, they are.
They have gone for the DRS. So we go upstairs. They have asked for a review here, the Karnataka Bulldozers. And the crowd waits with a bated breath. There is movement, but it's the angle which posed the problem for the umpire. Where did it hit him? Oh, I think it would have gone down the leg side. The late in swing from Karthik there. Good delivery. Overbalancing Varun Rao there.
Yeah, also his head just falling a bit. Rightly mentioned, just losing his balance. That would have gone down the leg side. Also a bit high. Just hitting him above the knee roll. That should go in favor of the batsman. Height a factor, also the angle. Originally, it was a right call made by the umpire on field.
And that call should stay. Above the knee roll, there you see where is the impact. Above the knee roll is on the front foot. And the angle definitely would have taken the ball down the leg side, away from the stumps. So third umpire will speak with the main umpire, and the decision stands. And they've lost the review here, the Bulldozers. So the remaining review now for Bulldozers is 1. They're allowed 2 review in each innings. So if they've lost out on 1, they do have 1 more remaining here.
Surely he's working up some pace, getting some movement as well off the deck here. That should be encouraging for Karthik. This has been a good impressive start from him. The ball coming into the right-hander.
That's a genuine all-rounder they have in there, Karthik. He batted quite well, 22 of 28 deliveries. Good support he gave to Pradeep. And now with his quick arm action, he generates good speed. But that is also an opportunity for the batsman to make use of that speed by just relying on timing to play their shots. But this is a very healthy target they have set for the Heroes. 169 to get in 20 overs. Many professional sides flounder while chasing that target.
That's very nicely played, very compact in his defense on the occasion. Right behind the line of that one. He's got a man at deep point, Karthik. Now with the ball coming in, the better option could be a man at deep square leg. Bring that man in, inside the circle. Many a times the batsman will just play with the tide on the onside. Drifting down the pad line and getting some bat to it on that occasion.
He's beating them by pace there. And that's the board of directors of CCL. So congratulations to them for doing such a splendid effort to bringing this for the spectators here. And this is the second season of the Parle Celebrity Cricket League. So all the organisers, all the people involved with CCL, they have done a great job. This is a wonderful property here. Hits it well, but straight to the fielder. They get a single. Yes, they did. There was a misfielding in the end. So after one, it's 3 without loss.